CapCut editing tips, movie black bars, and fake camera movement, pro-level tricks. Let's level up your edits. Trick 1. Movie-style black bars help give your video a cinematic feel, just like a real film. First, select your video clip from the timeline. Click on Mask, then choose Add Mask. Now drag the crop handles from the top and bottom to create those black bars. That's it. Play the video to see the dramatic movie effect in action. Trick 2. Fake camera movement. Fake adds motion to your video, making it look more professional without needing an actual camera movement. Start by selecting your video, then click on Video and go to the Basic tab. Click the Scale keyframe dot to set the starting point and slightly increase the zoom, for example 105%. Now click the Position keyframe dot and move the video slightly to one side. Move your playhead to the end of the clip. Then click the Position keyframe dot again and drag the video to the opposite side. When you play it back, it'll look like the camera is smoothly panning across your shot.
Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.